Winter is coming. Well, eventually, and as temperatures start to drop, it is time for you to get prepared for the colder months by testing the heat mode on your HVAC. If you have more than one zone in your home, you'll need to do this for each unit. Now, before we continue, we want to point out that the following steps do not replace the need for your system to be serviced by a qualified professional. The guidance outlined in this video is meant to help you proactively test your system's heat mode before it is needed in the coming weeks. You also do not want to perform this test if the outside temperature is warmer than 60 degrees Fahrenheit. That being said, let's begin. Since your system is pulling heat from the outside air, you will want to make sure that your outside unit is clear of debris. This includes leaves, weeds, or anything that will restrict airflow to the unit. A good rule to follow is 24 inches on all sides, which means if you have shrubs encroaching or furniture in the way, they should be trimmed back or removed. Next, you'll want to check your air filter. Although this is not required when testing your heat, you should get in the practice of checking it every 1 to 3 months depending on the air quality in your home. If the filter is at the unit itself, we recommend turning the system off to prevent it from accidentally being sucked into the blower fan. After you've checked it, turn the power back on and go ahead to the thermostat and set the system to heat. You can do this by turning the thermostat to heat and raising the threshold temperature past the current inside temperature of your home. Make sure to turn off any smart features first, as they might conflict with each other and not turn on the heat. If you have an automatic zone damper system, as shown here, then you will want to turn all thermostats to the heat mode to perform this test. Once this is done, go back to the unit if it's accessible. You should start to hear the process of the blower motor turning on. Now, heat pumps work a little differently than a traditional furnace. The biggest misunderstanding is the actual temperature of the air coming out of the vents. Expect it to feel warm, but not hot. This is normal for a heat pump system. If after 10 to 15 minutes the system is not producing warm air from the vents, then you want to contact an HVAC professional. At this point, you have confirmed that the heat mode is functional and working, and you can switch back to your previous mode. Please note that working and working efficiently are not always the same thing. To extend the life of the system, it is best to have a professional do a full inspection on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out some of our other videos on home maintenance.